Doesn't eat a couple. You see, they're busy eating breakfast.
They're so cute. Maybe I can throw this up to them and they will play with it.
Can you see them eating the berries for breakfast?
This
We can have a parrot toy too. Look.
And can you notice that they look exactly like the leaves?
There's
So that means,
The beak looks like
a
the
parrot.
yes, if preys are trying to get them, they will find it hard to see them. They're camouflage, perfect camouflage. That's it, sometimes it's simple. It's too close, scary.